light, we were told, moves at the rate of about 186,000 miles a second, but so far distant are these bodies from us that the light which we see coming from them is the light which left them thousands, and in some cases millions, of years ago, full stop. Because of this fact, we learned, if we could discover some method by which our eyes could see what was happening on one of these distant bodies, we should see not what is happening today, but what was happening ages and ages ago, full stop. If people, something like ourselves, lived on those little points of light, and if they could see what was happening on our earth, they, looking at us today, would see not what is happening now, but what happened thousands or millions of years ago, according to the distance they are away, full stop. But even when we remember these facts, it is for most of us difficult to get more than the smallest suggestion of an idea of what is meant when we are told that everything that has been, still is, and always will be, full stop. It is difficult to believe that they will always be somewhere. The picture of you as you sit reading these words, full stop, new paragraph. If we think of sound, it helps us to understand this point a little better, full stop. We see a movement very much more quickly than we hear the sound resulting from that movement, for sound comes to us at only 1100 feet a second, as against the 186,000 miles a second of light, full stop. Let us say that I live half a mile from a big manufacturing plant, so that the sounds which come to me from the plant reach me about 2.5 seconds after the sounds were in fact made, full stop. Let us say also that you live another half a mile down the road, comma, away from the plant, full stop. You would hear the same sounds 2.5 seconds after I heard them, comma, that is 5 seconds after they were made, full stop.